everyone. I will introduce my Codeigniter Pitisan tool. This tool can create a controller model and view quickly. Sorry, my English is so very bad. So I actually implementing this tool in the Codeigniter project. Okay, let's begin. Now, in the desktop, I have a Codeigniter 2.2.1 project. Okay, now I must to open my terminal. Okay, change directory in the desktop and click clone. We must clone the Pitisan tool in the folder. Okay, now we can see this folder in here and open here. Okay, here is application controller. Controller and Pitisan 2. Okay, I must move in the project your project in the application and controller, pass here. Okay, now let's open the server. Okay, change directory in the Codeigniter. Okay, server do server local host 84. Okay, now okay, local host localhost. Okay, running, and we use Sublime to open the project. Okay, now we can use the Pitisan tool. Please type php index.php Pitisan. Okay, 3 commands in here. Now I will tell you the most quickly method is to do alias in your bash profile like this. Your home and your bash profile. Okay, you can see here is my bash profile alias name. You can add alias Pitisan equal php.in space index.php Pitisan. Okay, so we can use the Pitisan to run this command tool like this. Okay, now let's in here. Okay, we will create controller. Use the Pitisan tool. How do we do? Like this controller. We can run the Pitisan controller. We can see this command here. Name is the name of the controller class. Is your controller name. Okay, like this. Here is an example. Okay, Pitisan. We can create a controller like user. Okay, run success. Okay, here user is created. Now we have to extend any controller like we must like article. We have extend my controller, so we can see here article extend my controller. And if I have I want to create a controller in another folder, but you want to install create a controller in controllers subdirectory like this Pitisan. controller like the here 然后you have extend base controller. Okay, you will see in your controller directory you will create an admin folder and care file and extend base controller. Okay, it's much faster. Okay, if you have any and you want, you can see the helper like controller in here. Okay, now we use the Pitisan to create a model. Okay, here I will quickly teach you how to use this Pitisan. If I want to create a model like a user model, and okay, you will see model in here. User model is then CI model, and if you want to create a model like subdirectory like song model and song model, another model. Okay, you will see some model directory and another model in here. Okay, if you want to create a have a table variable and a primary key variable, and you want to extend a base model or CI model, or you have any model you want to extend, you can do this. Like you have a directory like S and some article, and you have a table like articles and primary key ID, and you want to extend something like my model. Okay, right here as article model, you will extend my model and the table name and the primary key name in here. Okay, it's much quickly. Okay, if you want to read more example in here, you can type Pitisan model. Okay, you will see here is example. Now I have a very useful view tool. Okay, here view. Now how to use require file and more. So you can require 10 or 100 file in your create your new view file. Okay, like this. If you want to use the Pitisan to create more good file. Okay, now let's look at this view and Pitisan view. We need a show. Okay, you can show in here. Now if you want to admin show, you will see admin show in here. Okay, if you want to user index and this file require other file like template, and header. Okay, you will see user index.php will require your path and views template header in here, so it's much quickly like Pitisan view article or product index, and you will require template header and template footer. Okay, in here product index you will require 2 files, and if you don't want to require any file like this Pitisan view template header, okay, you will create template folder and the header file, and you can filter, and you can Pitisan view like navigation. Partial, and partial have a navigation, and have a site, and have more you want to add here. Okay, it's very quickly to create file. So if you want to know how to use this command, you can type Pitisan view. This here is very more important to let you how to use. Okay, thank you everyone. My English is very bad. I just want to share this tool to everyone. Okay, thank you.